Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to share my review and thoughts on the new launch by the brand Colorbar, which is the Colorbar Glitter Mayall collection. And I saw these products on Instagram and I really wanted to try out these products. So I went to the Colorbar store and I picked up a few products. And I'm going to talk about these products in detail. If you want to know about this collection, then please continue watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this. It would mean a lot to me. And without further ado, let's continue. The first product that I want to talk about is this Colorbar Fairytale Luminizer and Lipstick Duo. And first of all, I would like to say that the packaging of these products are absolutely beautiful, and they have done quite a good work in the outer packaging of these lipsticks. And this is how the lipstick looks from inside, and you have a lipstick on one end and you have a highlighter on one end. Let me show you. By the way, this is in the shade 002 Shimmer, and you have the lipstick on this side, and this is the shade which I am wearing right now. I love this shade. I think this is a very beautiful pink shade which looks very beautiful, which is complementing my skin tone. And when I push it from this side, I get the highlighter from the other side, and this is how the highlighter looks. I'm going to include the swatches of all the lipsticks and the highlighters that I've got. So yeah, this is the first product. I have applied this lipstick and I must say that it sits very comfortably on the lips. It does not feel drying. It feels very moisturizing, and I have worn this lipstick for around 3 hours and this has not budged, and I really love the formula of this lipstick. It is very super creamy, comfortable. I think this is a versatile product because you can use the lipstick from one end and you can use the highlighter from the other end. You can apply it as a highlighter on your face. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You can also use it as a lipstick topper. It gives a beautiful subtle sheen to the lips if you apply the highlighter on the lips, and so far I really like this product, and this is one of my favorite products from the Colorbar Glitter Me range. The next two products that I've got from this collection is the lipstick from this range, and I've got these in two shades. One is 08 Charm and the other one is 07 Glory, and let me show you the swatches of these. So this is the first lipstick. First of all, look at the packaging. This is so luxurious and it looks absolutely amazing. And this is the shade 008 Charm, and this is a nudish shade. And if you're someone who likes wearing nude lipsticks and lipsticks that are appropriate for everyday use, then I think you're going to love this shade. This is 008 Charm. The lipsticks that I have chosen from this collection are those lipsticks which are going to suit my complexion, and these are going to flatter the medium to dusky complexions. And this is a very beautiful lipstick. It also has a very comfortable moisturizing formula. These lipsticks are very creamy and pigmented, and overall the formula of this lipstick is absolutely amazing. This retails for rupees 700 and the Luminizer was for around 1200 rupees. And the other lipstick that I have from this collection is the shade 07 Glory, and this is how the lipstick looks. It is a brownish shade, and I think if you are someone who loves nude shades and brown shades, then you're definitely going to love these lipsticks. I didn't want to go for the regular pinks and reds because you can easily find those colors in any brand and also in a much cheaper price, but I chose these two colors because I think these two colors are unique in this collection. The next product that I have from this collection is the Colorbar Glitter Mayall Flash Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade 02 WHIZZ. I think it looks absolutely stunning on medium skin tones, and I don't like lip glosses which have too many glitters in it, and it lasts for a long time. It looks absolutely amazing on the lips, and I really love the formula of this lip gloss. It feels very creamy and moisturizing. The color is absolutely pretty, and if you love shades like this, then I think you should definitely try this lip gloss. This is in the shade 002 WHIZZ. If you're a lip gloss person and you want that subtle kind of shine on your lips, then I think you're definitely going to love this lip gloss. This lip gloss retails for rupees 650. And the last product that I got from this collection is the Colorbar Mayall Spellbound Chic and Shine Kit Blush Plus Highlighter, and this is the packaging. It is so amazing, and this is in the shade Magical Dust 01. And let me show you the packaging from inside. The packaging is absolutely stunning, and this is what the packaging looks, and this retails for rupees 1500. I think it is on the costlier side, but the product is absolutely amazing. These are the two products. You get a blush and you get a highlighter, and I have this blush and the highlighter on my face today, and I absolutely love the formula of these highlighters. It is not at all chalky. It is very creamy, smooth, and these are buttery soft. These blend very easily onto the skin, and you just need a light amount of this product and they blend absolutely amazing. I really love the formula, the texture, and the color payoff of these blush and highlighter. And I think it was available in one more shade, but that was more towards fair to medium skin tone. This is more for the medium to dusky complexions, so I really like this product and I'm so far loving this product, and this is the most favorite product from the collection that I have got. And with all these products I also received a gift, and these are the brushes that I got from this Colorbar store, and these are very useful brushes. Let me show you. You have a highlighter brush, an eyeshadow brush, and you have a contour brush, and these brushes are of very good quality. They are absolutely smooth and the bristles are very dense, and I really love these brushes, and I think these are very pretty looking brushes, and I'm definitely going to use these brushes soon. I just can't wait to try these brushes. These look absolutely amazing, and yeah, these are very good quality brushes. So yeah, these were all the products that I got from the Colorbar Mayall range. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.